Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting prerequisites right. Install Python 3, 8 or newer, and create an isolated virtualenv so dependencies don't clash. Next, pip install Rasa and Rasa SDK and confirm Rasa version to ensure a matching runtime. Once done, scaffold the project with Rasa in it no prompt. This gives you a working domain, data, and actions file. Make sure to open the project folder now because you'll modify domain. IML data/NLU. IML and data/rules. IML immediately to shape intents and responses. You now design the NLU and dialog. Map out intents and give each intent 815 diverse examples so the classifier generalizes. Then define entities and slots in domain. IML, slots persist extracted values across turns. After that, author stories and rules to describe conversation paths, including fallback and correction behaviors. Once that's in place, implement custom actions in actions. And wire them in endpoints. IML so Rasa calls your Python code for dynamic replies or API calls. This connects language understanding to real behavior. Train the model with Rasa train and evaluate with Rasa test. Inspect misclassified examples and retrain iteratively, because repeated small fixes improve accuracy fast. Once trained, run Rasa run actions in one shell and Rasa shell or Rasa run in another to test end-to-end interactions locally. Make sure your custom actions respond and slots persist. Finally, package with Docker or deploy to Kubernetes, or use Rasa X for data-driven improvements. If things break, check logs for action server errors and verify endpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.